Keep going. I've wondered, hell, we're way down there wondering where this come from.
Oh, yeah?
That's a Sawzall, right?
No, that's a tipping hammer to change the plumbing in the shower. You got to tip out the wall to get to the shower valve.
Ours needs to be changed too, in 120.
Does it? I work for the company.
I understand, but we trying to figure out what it was.
Oh, yeah. Well,
continue on.
You got it figured out now. Whenever it's like a mini jackhammer. When you push it against the wall, it
yes, sir.
vibrates in and out.
Yes, sir. Okay, stop for just 1 second and I'll get out of here. What's your name? What's your name?
Why? Does it matter?
It doesn't.
Sonny.
Okay, Sonny. I'm going to put it on YouTube where the sound was coming from. I was on YouTube this morning and they said, what is that? That's fine. I really don't have your face anyhow. Okay, Sonny.
I ain't a big internet fan.
You are?
I'm not.
Okay. All right.
Enjoy your day.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to leave him alone. That was Sonny. He's repairing the shower way down the hall. Have a good day.